Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by capturing the error context so you can reproduce it quickly. First, check installed GPU drivers and note versions. Drivers often cause crossfire conflicts. Once done, back up current profiles and registry entries so you can restore if needed. Make sure to close all affected applications before proceeding. You will need elevated admin rights for the next steps, so switch accounts or enable UAC prompts. This prevents permission-based failures and lets you modify system-level components safely. You now perform the central diagnostics. Disable and re-enable the Crossfire device entries to force Windows to reinitialize the multi-GPU stack. Next, boot to safe mode and run a display driver uninstaller clean sweep. This removes corrupted driver remnants. Reboot and install the latest certified driver build, not beta. While installing, monitor power delivery and temperatures because hardware instability will recreate Report 2025. If issues persist, you finish by reproducing the original workload with logging turned on to ensure the error no longer appears. This proves the fix. If the error returns, switch to single GPU mode to determine whether multi-GPU synchronization is the culprit, and capture minidumps and event logs for deeper analysis. Make sure to include driver versions and exact reproduction steps when seeking vendor support. One key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms remain, reset GPUs and test with a known good power supply. Many 2025 errors mask as software, but are hardware related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.